Hello viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we learned how to set an acre grid using Google Imagery. Today, we're diving into a new topic, how to export Tehsil boundaries from a given district boundary and then extract Mauza boundaries from the exported Tehsil boundary. Let's get started. First, we'll load our district data as a layer. Once that's done, open the attribute table for the district layer. From there, select Selection by Attribute. A new window will pop up on your screen where we'll input our query, district equals your selected Tehsil. After applying this query, you can click on Get Unique Values to view the selected Tehsil highlighted on the screen. Select or create the folder where you export your shapefile. Now that we have our desired Tehsil boundary, it's time to export this selected area. Simply go to the Data Export option and voila! Your Tehsil boundary is now successfully exported. Next, we'll move on to exporting the Mauza boundary from the Tehsil boundary. Again, open the attribute table for the Tehsil layer and select Selection by Attribute. In this window, input the query, Mauza equals your selected Tehsil, and apply it by clicking on Get Unique Values. This will display the chosen Mauza on the screen. Once you've confirmed the selection, export this area as well. And there you have it. The Mauza boundary is now exported. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.